Hi, sellers and partners. Looking for a simple way to earn passive income? Discover the BurgerPrints Referral Program, your chance to earn more by sharing what you love. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Get your unique referral link. First, log in to your BurgerPrints account. Navigate to the Referral Program section on your dashboard. Here you'll find your unique referral link. Simply copy it. Step 2. Now share your referral link with anyone who could benefit from BurgerPrints. Sellers, e-commerce entrepreneurs, or anyone looking to grow their business online. Step 3. Your follower signs up via your link. When someone signs up through your link, they'll be directed to the BurgerPrints registration page. Once their account is successfully created, you're one step closer to earning your reward. Step 4. Earn rewards. And here's the best part. You'll earn rewards when your referred follower signs up, and even more when they start fulfilling orders with BurgerPrints. You can track all your earnings directly in your dashboard. Amazing rewards await you. Remember, with the referral program, you can earn significantly. Best of all, there's no limit to your rewards. The more people you refer, the more you earn. Receive a reward when your referral fulfills their first order. Receive a reward when your referral consistently fulfills orders during their first month. Receive a reward for successfully referring 5 or more people per month. Share your link and start earning. Where speed meets stability, BurgerPrints is proud to be one of the leading and reputable fulfillment providers, committed to fast production and reliable shipping to help sellers optimize their POD business operations. So what are you waiting for? Get your referral link, start sharing, and watch your rewards grow. Visit BurgerPrints Referral Program for more details or log into your BurgerPrints dashboard now.